Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to enable cookies on your iPhone. So actually, for your privacy, blocking cookies is better than allowing them, but I know they are useful. So to enable them, at first we need to open settings. Now we have to scroll all the way down to the apps here. Now open apps and here select the letter S on the list. You will see here Safari. Open your Safari settings, and now we have to scroll down until we see the block cookies bar here. As you can see here, they have block pop-ups, start page, autofill, download extensions, something like that, new profile, and as you can see, we are getting closer. Here we have in advanced privacy, block all cookies. If it's green, it means that now you are blocking all cookies in your Safari web browser. But to enable and allow cookies, tap on this bar to make it gray. And that's how it works. Goodbye!